Hello.
Uptown Swing.
Level 1.
6 count. That's Val.
And that's Brian.
Boom.
We started from the very beginning and we first took our footwork pretty simple and easy and it looked like this. And quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow. So followers started on their right.
Leaders on their left.
Then we put that
Rock step
behind.
Hey, hey.
Back.
Rock step. Hey, hey. Rock step. Hey.
Then we made you scoot. It
held
looked
hands.
like this.
We scooted to the left. Went to the right. We took one little scoot, made it into what we called a triple step, and put that in our basic. It was
looks like that.
See, step and step, triple, triple, boom and scoot, scoot. Then we made it more in place.
Yeah, so you didn't have to travel
Boom.
too far. You could still dance in place. Then we partnered up, which looked like this.
In a closed position, where we made a little L shape between us, and we had a basic and closed, a tuck turn, a bunch of other stuff. I'll say it while we do it. We have our basics. Hey, hey. A tuck turn was a rock step. Get ready, go. Change places.
Triple step.
You can do basics here. They're an open. And then to get back to closed, hey, we bring our partner in, but stay in place, leaders.
And then you could start it all over again if you wanted to.
And that's what we did. Bye.